Welcome to this video about the e-wallet of Tilburg University. Well, we use our university card to pay for a lot of things in the university, for the library to print, for coffee or at vending machines. So you can also upload your card at a lot of places, like the library or any other place. But we can also do this online, and that is what we're going to do now. So first, we go to your web browser and we type in tiu.mynetpay.nl, and now we can log in with our university data. So we use your U number and password, and we log in. So here you can see the balance you have at this time, but it's not a lot anymore, so we want to upgrade our credit. Then we choose top up balance, and we choose for 20 euros because we have to print a lot. You can choose for PayPal or Ideal, whatever you like most, and you can select this option and proceed to payments. Well, the rest you can do yourself, of course. Okay, you can also use your public transport card to pay at printing places or for coffee. So you have to go to the printer and you put your card on it, and then you fill in your university data, like your U number and your password, and you can also print them. So thank you for watching.